In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DOCX Invoice templates in Xero accounting software. We will start from the Xero dashboard, which is your main workspace after signing in. From here, look at the top menu and select Sales. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, choose Sales Settings. This area is where Xero stores the options that control how your sales documents look and behave. So it's the right place to begin when you want to customize invoice templates. Once you are in Sales Settings, click on Invoice Settings. This section is specifically for managing the appearance and formatting of your invoices. If you are creating a template that better matches your branding or internal document style, this is where you'll set that up. Now, look for the new branding theme option. Click the arrow next to it, and from the available choices, select Custom DOCX. This tells Xero that you want to use a word-based invoice template instead of one of the standard built-in designs. Using a DOCX template gives you more flexibility, especially if you want more control over layout, fonts, spacing, or branded design elements. After selecting Custom DOCX, enter a clear and recognizable name for your template. It's a good idea to use a name that helps you quickly identify the design later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates for different invoice styles or business needs. Once you've entered the name, click OK to create the new branding theme. Next to your new template, click Download. Xero will save a zip file to your computer that contains sample templates. These sample files are important because they give you a starting point for editing the layout correctly. Rather than building a template from scratch, you can open the sample in Microsoft Word and customize it while keeping the structure Xero expects. From there, you can customize the template in Word and then upload it back to Xero accounting software. As you edit, make sure your formatting stays clean and consistent so the invoice remains professional and easy to read. This is especially useful for adding your preferred styling while keeping the document functional inside Xero. Once uploaded, your custom template can be used as part of your invoicing workflow, helping you create documents that look more polished and aligned with your brand. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.